lie to you? Why would I 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 lie to you? Live RyanMac. You don't know what you're missing, what you're waiting for. Live RyanMac. You don't know what you're missing, what you're waiting for. Why would I lie to you?
Cash beats on the beat. Late shift, blue light, all night, TWB on.
If you're still here, you're part of the song.
Think with bookmaps, follow that flow. Alex on stream while the bubbles blow. TWB fam checking in each night. Same small dream of getting this right. Ay. Think with bookmaps, trust that chat. Slow control, no FOMO. RyanMac teach us that if you're here for the climb, not just a hit. Pull up a chair, yeah, you're built for this. London sky dark, but the chat run bright. Mom's, dad's, grinders, all online tonight. ES too slow, NQ trying to steal the show. We just watch tape, keep the risk real or the flow. Listen and sing with me on a beat. Cars, trades, a schizo, then it dumps back down. GG community, scam a Ponzi. I love trading, smash the light. From first bell ring to the late night close. Same core crew, yeah, everybody knows. Think with bookmaps, follow that flow. Alex on stream while the candles glow. TWB fam checking in each night. Same small dream of getting this right. Think with bookmaps, trust that data, slow control, no FOMO. If you're here for the climb, not just a hit. Pull up a chair, yeah, you're built for this. Bookmaps, 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 bookmaps.
Welcome to Think with Bookmaps, where we trade futures in a blink with bookmaps. And for that dough, you gotta think with bookmaps. It's bookmaps, it's bookmaps, it's bookmaps. It's the moment you've all been waiting for. That's right. Everybody's favorite community, the Think with Bookmaps.
Good morning. Man, we jumped off pretty good, didn't we? Oh, man. Pushing straight to the VWAP here. Nice little bear flag we got. How's everybody doing? Had a rough morning. Thanks for being patient. It's okay though. All right, now let's go tap the VWAP in the 200 EMA. Looks like we just kind of pumped right up to 25,411 and opened and dumped. Right there to the VWAP and the 200. Excuse me. All right, so we got to the VWAP, the 200 EMA. Just ripping right through it. No red candles. On the one. Looking at the higher time frames. Got that all set up. $30-minute, looking like we're looking below this previous close and right back up. No red candles here. Except for that one. How's everybody doing this morning? Anybody take a trade already? I mean, it's a straight up short all the way down. It's a rough short though. Goodness. Literally have to like get in here in order for you to feel any type of win. Can't unless you entered here, but if you entered here, you only had this much time to get out. No, we break and it just continues. Probably this particular run right here was nice. This run was nice here. Now we found the bottom right here and just pop right back up. Man, I mean, from the bottom to current price, we bounced 217 points. Take a peek at what's gold doing. Everybody on the new contract? New futures contract? Oh man. What happened? Gold. Thought we were gonna hit 40, 30, 4,400. Said no. Let's look at silver. All right, silver stuck at 63.30. And the Macdicator's on point with silver. Goodness gracious. 64. 64.20. It did hit 65. One thing about the COMEX is that these gaps, and it just comes and fills them and then reverses. Just like a great indicator for silver and gold. Let's look at the ES. ES is pushing right back up. Back to NQ. Close above the 200 EMA would look nice to go higher. Yep, there you go. Got that close finally. Like we closed here, opened, closed. We've been unable to close above the 200. Now we go higher. MACDs are pushing higher. I wouldn't be so unconfident about a long. Mm. Well, we got above that 200 and VWAP. Coming back down on the 9 right now. Not gonna move much until we can get that 9 to follow. Let's see. Yeah, pressure, more pressure, volume pressure to the upside. Now, of course, I am streaming the H contract on Bookmaps and just the continuous contract on TradingView, so their prices are going to be different. The direction's the same. Oof. Hmm. All right, there you go. Got that updated. Now we can look at it. The proper contract. Looks like everybody is flipping over. So it's still structured as a bear flag. Looking for the MACD here to roll over a little bit. We can get that blue line to cross over down here. And this orange line across this way. Then we come back to that 0. Then that's there we go. It's starting to cross. All right, so Bookmaps is showing a standard deviation right here. Or actually, you know what? No, it's a view app. Sorry. The thing is that we could fall right back into. Let's double check this line here. Right there. So if we don't find support here, then we look for support here. And then here. Gotta answer that. Just nice little dump off. Let's see what it reacts at 25,447. Like to see if it balances itself out there and then finds a bid. Let's look at the Bookmap for some orders. It's got 19 at 450. Let's see if it catches a bid there. Excuse me. Man, tis the season. All right, we're filling. Looks like we're going back to that 20 contract, 18. Let's see if this white line holds up. 447. Now we left behind a Macdicator gap here. Right here at 25,492.75. I do expect it to come back to this area. Just don't know exactly when. We're looking for a bounce here at 447, but it seems like we're just continuing to sell off. Deltas are red on the book maps. And we could fall all the way down through back to low of day if this is aggressive enough. But this is the first balance area I would see that it would kind of find some sort of support there. So slowing down. Market pulse is getting quieter. Oh, we're still going. It's still going, but it's got quieter. All right, so we dumped off the 200 in the VWAP there for a quick pullback. I was kind of figuring we come back into this supply range. Maybe we find some sort of demand in there. Maybe we don't. Maybe we kind of make off this bear flag all the way down. It's questionable. If you're short right now, you're in a great short. I definitely want to see how it reacts here. No support there. Just falling off a cliff, I guess. Went skydiving. So I don't see a long in this future. Get the magic 8-ball out, right? Shake the ball. No, I'm kidding. Let's see how it responds here at 407, 402.50. See how this last bit of buyers and sellers to the left here holds up. If not, then they got out up here. Look at how we rejected 25,668 to the T, which is a 20 tick gap. I can see why they would reject that. 20 tick gap pushed this price back down like 200, 300 points, 383 points. It's 380 points. Just a 20 tick gap. That's insane. All right, let's see how they do it here. 25, 393. Deltas are flipping green. We get that neutral candle here. See what happens. Oh. Oh, we are getting a reversal candle of a sort. Got a gap right here, 25, 430. Let's see if we go get it. Or eject off the 5 EMA. Low down enough to catch something to keep us at this price. I mean, right shoulder, head and shoulders would be at this price back at 25,447. So we got that left shoulder. We have the head, and then we get the right shoulder to come back down. I mean, that's decent structure if it comes back up here and then still kind of gives you a bear flag. Yeah, that looks pretty bearish. MACD is not done yet. Let's see if this floats right back over. See if we curl. We need some curl there. Come back up, but see if it wants to make a heads and shoulder, or if it wants to just continue down. All right, we found a support, 25,402. Looking like we need to deal with some things that they had at that price. 25,369.25 is next on the list to grab for price, liquidity, buyers or sellers. Don't you hate it when sometimes that you sit there and you're like, oh, well, I'm going to get into a trade. It's going to come down and then I'll consolidate. And that's when you enter. And there's always that possibility that you don't know for sure it's going right back or not. But I'm going to give it about 15 more minutes or decide to pop off the screen, dealing with some sick kiddos. So. All right, made it to that 369.25 area. We can go lower, but did leave some breadcrumbs behind up here. We could go back and retest. Again, we're at the neckline of this left head, right shoulder, maybe. I'd like to see it kind of pop up here. roll right back up, come right back down. And give us that right shoulder indication. See what it does. Are the bulls gonna bring it back to that right shoulder, or the bear's gonna take profit and re-enter? The question is in the air. Oh yeah, I think we're going right back up to fill that this gap right here. 25, 430.
Iceberg ESL. Stop and Q buy. Stop and Q buy. Stop and Q buy.
Right back up. 20 EMA. From here to here. Hit that support, 368. Pushed right through. Right back up over this resistance. And we just need to get right above 25, 420, 50. Let's see if we get it. Three 25, 420, 50. 421 would be nice. We got 29 seconds left. If we can close this candle, hop right back up to 430. If we can find some buyers there to hold us up in price. I mean, if we can get, I think we need to go retest this 200 EMA VWAP cross.
Stop and Q sell.
Staying above the 20, pulling that 9 and 5 and 9 EMA up.
Stop and Q sell.
What's going on, 60-hour trader? Oh, it's going. I just had a late start. The kiddos aren't feeling that well today. But other than that, trading's going great. Trading's going great. Took one short today. Right? I did take a short today. Oh yeah, we're going right to this gap here. There's a one tick gap here. 25,430. We're reaching for good sized candles. That's as expected if it were to continue up. But again, watch for this right shoulder.
Stop and Q sell. Stop and Q sell.
Gap filled.
Stop and Q buy. Stop and Q buy. Stop and Q buy. Stop and Q sell.
Are we building that right shoulder? We must be building that right shoulder.
Stop and Q sell.
Come on, bear flag.
Stop and Q sell. Stop ES sell. Stop and Q sell. Stop and Q sell. Stop and Q sell. Stop ES sell. Stop ES sell.
So you reversed at the right spot for head and shoulders, but we need continuation through this neckline down here. 25,369 to keep rolling downhill, but I think we'll get it. It's just taking its sweet time. Currently 11:58. It's almost noon, almost lunchtime. I really appreciate you guys joining me. Check out our affiliates. Thank you for supporting TWB. I'm RyanMac, your co-host. I hope that you had a great morning. Stay green. Wanted to hop on and show face regardless of what was going on here at home, but I really appreciate you joining me. Nice little bear flag on the higher time frames, definitely showing its true colors on the 30-minute. Got a gap that we're pushing up against on the 30-minute with 85 ticks, so we could range in here for a little bit. But I'll be on tomorrow. Hopefully better rested and take a trade. So thank you for watching. Hope you have a good night. Peace.
Gas beats on the vibe. TWB, we locked in.
Yeah, charts run deep when the lights go low. Alex on stream, letting all of it show. No hype, no cap, just the honest flow. We don't guess here, we just let it go. Watching Bookmap like it's painting truth. Every level tell a story, every flash got proof. I've seen traders break down trying to chase that move, but we sit still even when the price gets loose. You see red, you panic, we see red, we wait. Discipline, the difference between love and hate. It's not just lines, it's the way you breathe. TWB taught me how to trade and lead. Think with Bookmaps, don't just feel. Most want thrills, but this game's too real. One clean setup, that's the deal. This ain't about luck, it's how you heal. Mind sharp, wrist light, wrist tight. Streaming live, but my head's on right. Let the world rush, I stay calm. Found my edge in the quiet, not the storm. Sometimes I stare at the chart for an hour straight. No trade, no stress, just protecting fate. Most lose fast, trying to move like greats, but greatness waits, that's the part they fake. Seen people blow bags off a single loss. Ego loud when you don't know the cost. Alex talking, I just take the notes. Every word hit different when your soul's that close. I don't need hype, I just need that zone. I don't need signals, I can see it on my own. Flow with the tape, heart on chill. Master the mind, that's the real skill. Think with Bookmaps, feel that pace. TWB fam, we don't chase. Price don't lie, you just gotta see that patience is profit eventually. Protect that peace, don't trade to impress. Most just flex, but they trade in stress. This stream ain't noise, it's growth in view. We study the market and ourselves too. Yeah, think with Bookmaps, feel that pace. TWB fam, we don't chase. Price don't lie, you just gotta see that patience is profit eventually. Protect that peace, don't trade to impress. Most just flex, but they trade in stress. This stream ain't noise, it's growth in view. We study the market and ourselves too.